All right, our last section of talking about percentages is we're going to talk about percent change, which what that is like if you saw in like a news report that, voter attendance was up by 85%, or, number of students enrolled in 7th grade decreased by 13%. Those are percent changes, okay? So not just like looking at the numbers of how much there are, but looking at the percentages and able to compare things, okay? So we're going to say that we can calculate percent increase or decrease. So we can find how much something is changing by if it's going up or if it's going down. Okay? So percent change is how much an amount increases, goes up, or how much it goes down or decreases. Okay? So you're trying to find the change from the old amount to the new amount. So this is going to be our formula, the larger value minus the smaller value. That number divided by the starting value, then times 100 to change it into a percent. Okay? And then after you calculate that, if the amount went up, it's an increase. If the amount went down, it's a decrease. Okay? So, I'm going to start by writing my formula. The larger value minus the smaller value divided by the starting value times 100. Okay, so this says from 43 to 78. Find the percent change and label it as an increase or a decrease. Okay, so I'm going to take my bigger number, 78, minus our smaller number, 43, divided by what it started as, from 43 to 78. The starting one was 43. So we're going to divide by 43. Okay, so then we're just going to do 78 minus 43 is 35. So now we have 35 divided by 43. Okay, then we have to take that times 100. When we multiply a decimal times 100, it moves it 2 places. Let's round to the nearest hundredth. So 1, 2. Find our place. Look next door. If that number is 5 or bigger, we're going to add 1 more. Okay. So we add 1 to the 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. So we write the 0, carry the 1. So 4. I wrote too big. Okay. Then from 43 to 78, it got larger. So that is an increase. Right, next one. A water bottle had 25 ounces of water in it and now has 20 ounces of water in it. Find the percent change and label it as an increase or a decrease. So we're going to take the big number minus the small number, divide that by the starting. Okay, so we have 25 and 20. So we're going to 25 is larger, so subtract 20, so 25 minus 20, divided by, we started at 25 ounces. Okay. 25 minus 20 is 5. So 5 divided by 25 is 0.2. So then times 100 is 20%. Okay. When it started, the water bottle had more water in it, so the amount of water went down, which is a decrease. Yesterday, you ran 3.6 miles, and today you ran 5.2 miles. Find the percent change and label it as an increase or a decrease. So we're going to take our big number minus the small number divided by the start. Okay. So our larger value is 5.2 minus our smaller value of 3.6. Okay, the starting value is what you did yesterday, which was 3.6. So 5.2 minus 3.6 is 1.6. So 1.6 divided by 3.6, 0.4444. The 4 goes on forever, okay? So then we're going to take that times 100 to change it to a percent. When you multiply by 100, it moves the decimal place 2 places to the right. So 1, 2. So 44.44%. You ran more today than you did yesterday, so it went up, so that is an increase. All right, last one. So this says, on the last exam, Josiah earned 72 points. On this exam, he got 85 points. What is the percent change in the number of points he earned? Was it an increase or was it a decrease? So I'm going to take my bigger number, 85, subtract our smaller number, 72, divide by which one he started with. So last time, so that came earlier, he got 72. So 72 is the earlier number. So divide by 72. $85 minus 72 is 13. So then now we have 13 divided by 72. 0.180555. So then we multiply that by 100, which moves the decimal place 2 points to the right. 1, 2. Okay, and let's round that to the nearest hundredths place. So this first 5 is in the hundredths. I look next door. Everything before what we underlined stays the same. This 5 rounds up to a 6. Everything after can go away. So 18.06%. He got more points this time. It went up. So it is an increase. And there you have it. So again, on the practice, go through and show all of your steps, okay? Take your time. Circle the important numbers, okay? Show your steps, go through the process, use the calculator, okay? Don't rush. You got time, no worries. All right, that's it for today, guys. Have a great day.